I'm Brandon Caton. I'm an engineer for the Quay team, and I'm here to do a demo of Registry-Wide Auto-Pruning, which is a feature that has been released as a part of 3.12. So if we take a look at our local registry here, we can see we have two organizations containing two repositories. I'll open each one of those up. And we can see under each repository we have 10 tags, where 5 tags are significantly older than the first 5. And if we go through each one, we can see the content of each repository is basically the same, 10 tags with 5 much older tags. So the registry-wide auto-pruning policy is configured through the config file. The future auto-prune has to be set to true for this to take effect. And then we can define the default namespace auto-prune policy here, where it contains 2 keys. First is a method by which we want to prune. This can be by the number of tags or the age of the tags. And then the value, which for the number of tags, it's the number of tags that should be retained. And then for creation date, it's the age of the tags. As of now, only one auto-prune policy criteria can be specified. And then by default, since this is such a database intensive operation where it has to go through each one of the repositories to be able to prune the tags, this runs by default once a day. You can configure this to run on your own schedule via the auto pruning default policy poll period parameter here. And for the sake of this demo, we're just going to set it to 10 seconds just so it runs immediately. So with this configuration, we can set this to true. We can save it, and then I will restart my Quay instance. This should only take a second. So it's successfully restarted. We can go back to the UI. I'll close all these and I'll reopen them. Refresh, relog in. So we can reopen our repositories. Since it's set to 10 seconds, this will take effect fairly quickly. So now we can see that it kept the 5 youngest tags across all of the repositories in the registry. So we can go through each one of these and see that only the 5 latest tags have been kept. In the next Z stream, 3.12.1, we'll put a fix where in the auto prune settings, it'll notify that the default policy is currently taking effect for the tags within the repository, just to let users know why their tags are being deleted. And yeah, that's it for the demo. Thank you very much.